live. West Shore Home is in the business of home remodeling. It's headquartered in Pennsylvania and serves more than 21 states. And it just announced plans to serve Huntsville, Alabama, and Boston. Joining me now with more on this news is BJ Werzyn. He's the founder and CEO of West Shore Home. BJ, welcome.
Thanks for having me. This is amazing.
All right, so you just announced plans to expand into Huntsville, Alabama, and Boston. Why these two areas?
Yeah, so we're really excited about 2026 and new office openings. We've already opened Nashville, Tennessee earlier this year. Our Boston market launched last week, and here to announce today that we're moving into the Huntsville, Alabama market next week.
Why? Why those markets?
So we do really well in areas like around Tennessee, Chattanooga, Tennessee, Knoxville, Nashville, Birmingham. So Huntsville just made sense for us from a demographic standpoint. And Boston's actually our first foray into New England. So really, really excited about launching that office.
For our viewers who are just getting to know West Shore Home, what problem are you solving?
So we are a fast, easy, convenient solution for homeowners looking to remodel their homes. Everything we do is tech enabled, and everything we do is around the customer experience.
Yeah, so how does your platform, is it a platform? How does your business work? If somebody wants their home remodeled, do they give you a call? Do they go online?
Yeah. Well, so we'll dispatch a design consultant out to their home. We have our proprietary technology applications that we use. So we use computer vision scanning, where we take a LiDAR scan of the room and capture all the current state data. We have visualization software to show them what the project's going to look like once it's done. And we make everything fast, easy, and seamless because we own everything on the value stream, including the last mile, and we employ all of our installers, where typically in our industry, that part is subcontracted out.
And I know your firm remodels everything from bathrooms to windows and floors. Which remodels are seeing the highest demand right now?
So we're seeing a lot of demand on the bathroom remodeling side, but as the weather warms up here, especially in our northern markets, window and door replacement becomes a big product for the spring.
All right, and how much do you think remodeling boosts a home value? Like what numbers on average are you seeing?
Yeah, well, so for most Americans, their home is their most valuable possession. So remodeling gives a great ROI, whether it's a discretionary remodel like a bathroom remodel or something more non-discretionary like a fixed break thing, roofing, HVAC. So any investment you make in your home is always going to be a good one.
So you say that West Shore Home is technology enabled. What technology is built into your business for customers?
Yeah, so everything is seamless, all the integrations, all the workflow automations. We have our own proprietary configure price quote tool. So when the design consultant goes into the home, we can show them exactly what the project's going to look like. We're going to tell them exactly how much it's going to cost. And if they want to move forward with the project, we can actually schedule their date of installation right then and there. So there's certainty around the project, whether it's the visualization of what it's going to look like, how much it's going to cost, going to fit into their budget, and exactly when we're going to come back to do the project.
What is some feedback that you get from your customers?
They just love the idea that it's fast, easy, convenient, it's stress-free and it's risk-free, and it's minimal disruption to their life. Most homeowners love the outcome of a home remodeling project, but they don't want us there for weeks or months on end. So we get in, do the project, make a happy customer, and let them move on with their life.
What is the ideal time for a home remodeling project?
Well, again, it depends. Seasonality, geographic, weather might come into play. So if it's an exterior remodel, those are typically done in the spring and summer, but bathroom remodels can be done year round.
What does the remodeling market look like right now?
Yeah, so there was a big boom around COVID when people were working from home, schooling their kids from home, spending a lot of time in their home, doing less traveling. I think over the past couple of years, we've seen some deferral of that remodeling demand. But as we get some more interest rate relief, if we can get a 5 handle on that 30-year fix, we get some more housing velocity, which I see coming later this year, it really spurs a lot of home remodeling activity.
You mentioned certain geographic regions where you're seeing a lot more activity, like Tennessee, Alabama. I know that is this your second location in Alabama?
2 locations in Alabama, 3 in Tennessee.
That's right. So why do you think you're seeing a higher demand in those regions?
Yeah, we've seen a lot of demand in what I would describe as the affordable Sun Belt. North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Tennessee, where housing's affordable, where the weather's good, where the populations are growing, where jobs are plentiful. So that's a really great area of the country for us.
Are you seeing any particular types of home remodeling that's trending in those areas?
For those areas, it is some of the bathroom remodels that we talked about. Whole house flooring has been a great product for us in those areas, and entry doors.
Okay, and what is next for West Shore Home?
Well, we're always on the cutting edge of innovation. We have an amazing technology team. We're using a lot of AI for AI use cases, again, to make the projects faster, easier, convenient, and most importantly, always focus on that customer experience.
All right, BJ Werzyn, founder and CEO of West Shore Home, thank you for joining us at the New York Stock Exchange.
Thanks for having me.